Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and system permissions. Plug in your headset, open Windows Sound, set your microphone as the default device, and test levels. Once done, allow microphone access in Windows Privacy so apps can use it. Then open Fortnite, go to Audio, turn voice chat on, and explicitly select your input and output devices. This ensures Fortnite uses the right source rather than a disabled or virtual device. Make these changes now, before moving to deeper settings. Next, troubleshoot software layers that block voice. Update your audio drivers from Device Manager or the headset maker to avoid compatibility issues. Then open your microphone properties, go to Advanced, and disable exclusive mode so Fortnite can share the device. Also set communications to do nothing in Sound Control panel to prevent automatic volume cuts. In Fortnite, verify whether push-to-talk is set correctly or use open mic. And check NAT and party voice channel so packets can route between players without drops. Finish by restarting both Fortnite and the Windows Audio service to apply changes, then join a friend for a quick test party to confirm voice flow. Make sure background apps like Discord or OBS aren't capturing or locking the mic, close them or change their input. If problems persist, run the Windows Recording Troubleshooter and try a different headset to isolate hardware from software. If you still have issues, reboot your router to clear NAT hiccups. This single failsafe often resolves stubborn voice connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.